Okay, let's look at index. This is completely new coin launch in July 2026, and this is on Robinhood. So this is one of the Robinhood picks. And what it does is hold the index and earn stocks. And by the way, this is available because of Uniswap. Uniswap is kind of like the software as a service engine behind the Robinhood. That's why, for example, on Robinhood, the main DEX is Uniswap. There's not like if you look at like base chain when it launched, it had AeroSwap, like the largest one, and also Uniswap, but the AeroSwap is a big one. But right now, Robinhood is using Uniswap version 4 with the hooks, and these you can tokenize stocks. So you can, so this is kind of like a 3% ETH fee on trades, fund stock distribution for eligible holders. So if you just basically the thing is if you hold the coin, you will earn stocks. And latest distribution you can see here Apple, Nvidia, AMD, Tesla, SpaceX, and super. So this is kind of like super bullish for the next upcoming run. And yeah, this is right now around 3K holders. This is completely new. This can just absolutely crazy pump. This was a mega play here just when it launched, but also here when it bottomed out here. I found the coin around the early August. I was looking at it after it pumped here, and then it made a new all-time low. Well, basically not new all-time low, but in a sense, like since it pumped and now it's back. It pumped a little bit, 158% from in the last 24 hours. I think this can be a great runner for the next run. Uh, right now 60 million, so 10x, solid 10x, but it's a risky 10x, but it's a 10x. For example, for me, for this new but it can go way beyond 160 million market cap, right? It can go to Bilski. It definitely can. But for me, if you're buying, for example, with size, I started building the portfolio August 17th, just before the Bitcoin started to run up. I think Bitcoin started to run up 2 days after that, and the whole market started to pump. So I got in early on super like 5 to 10x, like no-brainer coins, and the portfolio has been doing extremely well. If you want to get access to that, check out wolflopez.com or go to link in description and see the new portfolio I'm building, and also daily market update emails. Like I email every day a lot about the new opportunities, etc. And also a couple of days ago I found, let me show you. So this coin, I found this when it was like a 600 market cap. So right now I'm going heavy on finding the new coins. So here I found it around here before I went to sleep, and next day it was just like phew, it went from 600K market cap to 7 million market cap. Right now it's 4 million. And if you don't know what this is a main meme coin on Hyper, Liquid, Hyper chain, and yeah, right now it's consolidating here. By the way, I didn't buy it here. I'm just showing like I've been into this, looking right now in these lower cap coins and all kinds of coins. So of course, some of these coins I don't buy because I look at so many coins. But just to give you idea, like I'm very good at like finding the next things and being kind of early. So again, if I wanted, I would have gathered position here, so it would be up a little bit. But right now I think this chart is super bullish, and it's not like it's out there yet. This is completely new. It's on Robinhood chain. Robinhood chain is new for it. It will be the first time for it to go into the bull run, which is a massive deal, obviously. So I think that Bitcoin will go like 100K this year, soon 80K, and then if ETH goes to like 5K, making new all-time highs, then these coins just absolutely just go bonkers. But for me, I haven't bought this yet, and I most likely I'm not going to buy the coin. But I know people who have massive positions and conviction on this. Right now, I want to build the conviction on the like higher caps already doing, like already like kind of like they're leader in the space. So once these other coins move, and all the other moves, like they always gain the momentum. So for clean to 5 to 10 axis for those like high caps with size, I mean that's good enough. That's a lot of gains. And then right now I'm moving into getting in these lower cap coins. And right now I consider lower cap coins anything under like 100 mil market cap for me is a little bit a lower cap coin because the coins I'm holding are like a higher cap stuff. So, but under 20 mil is definitely low cap debt, and also in some Robinhood chain, it's definitely low cap. So I think that this can 10x easily from here. I just nobody knows the time frame, but it can just like instantly start to pump. It got the initial pump here People made crazy money. People who bought here, you can see here, people are very risk averse right now. So people who bought here, you can see it is continuous selling here. Then it pumped a little bit more and people taking more profit. But it was so bullish, the momentum, that it just took off. And then again, people started to instantly take profits. But then the momentum was even higher. So then it went to these all-time highs. And then, but you can see people are taking profits heavily, heavily around here. So right now you can see here the chart. You can see the chart here. So after the first pump, people instantly start to take money, instantly start to take profit. So now it's consolidating here. Let's see what will happen because the space rotates so fast right now. There's so many new coins launching. So everybody's like, if you look at the people who are just, you know, basically spamming big key opinion leaders, for example, in the memes, they are buying like 20 different coins every day. And when they buy, they just they wait for it to pump and then just dump and just collect cash. They just basically collect cash. So it's not like they have the picks that everybody has their conviction picks basically. But it's just I wanted to make my conviction picks high caps, so to make sure I secure the bag. Because last bull run I made my conviction pick around 20 mil market under 50 mil market caps basically. So I made great money, but I would have made even more money if I just secured the bag on high caps, clean 5 to 10x with size, and then get on the riskier side and play with that with like 20% of the portfolio just to secure the back. And then if some of those pops, like 30x to 100x, then the money is just insane. Also, it's better, better to do it like that way, in my opinion. So that's what I learned. So if you want to see the portfolio I'm building, check out fullflopers.com. But I think that the index can do extremely well. I will come back to this later on, and I will comment down below what do you think about index. Do you think that it's going to go up from here? The chart looks very nice, very very clean distribution here. People who wanted to get in got in here, and also there's chance to get in here also. But it's already like a mega candle here, so maybe waiting a little bit here and then getting in. But again, like if you wait for today and then tomorrow, for example, the bullishness goes away, a lot of people will start selling and taking profits, and then we can see back here. But then here, if you are not emotional charged anymore, like positively, then it's like a lot of people won't buy here. For example, here a lot of people lost the momentum, so they don't want to hold the bag. Somebody just like sold for 3K. Let's look at here top holders. Uh, Very nice. And let's look at top traders. You can see here this guy flipped to 36K, 29K, 20K. You can see here. So people have made money. A lot of main money was made here. Anyway, what do you guys think? Let me know, and I will come back to this and see how the coin has performed. Anyway, thank you so much. Check out fullflowbusiness.com if you want to, see my portfolio I'm building and get email updates. And peace out.